In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Etsy payouts and fees in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've connected Etsy yet, or you're just getting set up, this walkthrough will show you how to capture a payout and the related fees so your books reflect the true income you're expecting. We'll create a bank deposit that mirrors what Etsy sends to your bank, the gross sales minus Etsy's fees, resulting in the net amount you actually receive. Start by opening your browser and logging into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Click Sales and Get Paid, then go to Sales Transactions. From here, choose Bank Deposit. This form is designed for grouping funds that hit your bank, which makes it perfect for recording marketplace payouts. At the top, in the Bank Account field, select the bank account where your Etsy payouts are deposited. This is important for reconciling later. When the actual deposit shows up in your bank feed, it will match what you record here. Now move to the section called Add Funds to this deposit. On the first line, under Received From, enter Etsy so you can easily identify the source. In the Account column for that same line, select your Etsy sales income account. This tells QuickBooks that the money you're recording is sales revenue from Etsy. In the Amount field, enter the gross sales amount from Etsy before any fees are taken out. Think of this as the total the customers paid through Etsy. Add a new line beneath that. On this second line, under Account, choose your Etsy fees expense account. In the Amount field, enter the Etsy fee as a negative number. Entering it as a negative reduces the deposit total to reflect the fee Etsy retains before sending you the payout, and it also records the fee properly as an expense. Take a moment to confirm the math. The total at the bottom of the deposit should equal the net payout you expect to receive from Etsy. If the numbers don't match, double-check the gross sales amount and the fee. Matching the net total is what ensures your bank feed will align perfectly when the deposit clears. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. You've now recorded your Etsy payout and the associated fees in one clean entry, keeping your income and expenses accurate and making reconciliation easier. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.